Today we're going to another request stop called Dilton Marsh.
Yep, welcome back, and today we start our journey at Whitchurch Station in Hampshire.
We've just left Salisbury to go to Dilton Marsh.
And we instructed the guard to make sure it stopped there, didn't we?
Yeah.
It's on a Great Western train. Look at this tiny little station, eh, little man? It's Diddy. There's not a platform on the other side either. Where?
It's over there.
Oh yeah, it's right over there. Didn't see that.
Scattered platforms.
Scattered platforms. You glad you're here, little man?
Yeah.
Well, let's go and explore.
We're in Westbury near Dilton Marsh, and we found this strange alleyway.
Just going to go for a little walk, see where it takes us.
We're now at Sleepy Hollow and we're going to look around this church.
Well, the hollow anyway. And there's the tree from Sleepy Hollow. So we go and explore the church?
Yeah.
Just thought it's an interesting little church to look around before we head off home and catch the request stop train. It's now twilight, so the light is fading. We'll have to find out what this church is called. We haven't looked, have we?
No.
What do you think it's called? Have a guess?
Hollow Church.
Hollow Church. I reckon it's going to be All Hallows Church. Oh look, fish and chip shop. Close the door. Right, let's see what this church is called, shall we? It's Holy Trinity, Dilton Marsh. He's a bit spooky. Pardon? I wouldn't say scary, a little bit eerie maybe. Right, shall we head back to catch our train?
Yeah.
What we got, a 25-minute walk?
Yeah. We're now on our way to Whitchurch. Back to Whitchurch.
Yep, Staden's about to request the train, hopefully. If it doesn't stop, we're stuck here.
You sure that's it?
Yeah, that's it. He'll probably hoot you when he sees you. Is it stopping? It's stopping. Yeah.
We are now back at Whitchurch where our journey ends. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share so we can grow our channel.
Yep. See you all later. Hope you enjoyed. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye bye.